Welcome to today's instructional video on solving the quadratic equation 5x squared plus 10x plus 5. In this video, we will go step by step through the process of finding the solutions for this equation. Make sure to grab a pen and paper. And let's get started. To begin solving the quadratic expression 5x squared plus 10x plus 5, the first step is factor out the greatest common factor of all the terms in this case. The greatest common factor of 5x squared, 10x, and 5 is 5. Thus, we can rewrite the expression as 5 multiplied by the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. This simplifies the expression by reducing the coefficients within the quadratic term. Step 2 involves factoring the quadratic expression further. Notice that the expression within the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be factored into a perfect square. Specifically, x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be rewritten as x plus 1 squared. This is because x plus 1 times x plus 1 gives us x squared plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, the original expression 5 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1 becomes 5 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This completes the factorization of the quadratic expression. In step 3, we have already factored the quadratic expression 5x squared plus 10x plus 5 into 5 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This means that the expression has been simplified as much as possible. The final factored form of the quadratic expression is 5 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This concludes our solution, as the expression cannot be simplified further. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.